Hi, my name is Arundhati and welcome to the Aham Yoga channel, a place where we make ancient yogic wisdom practical, accessible and simple for modern day living. In today's video, we're going to explore the difference between two very famous poses, Bhujangasana Cobra pose and Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. Often, a lot of yoga teachers use this interchangeably. They're not the same pose. They're slightly different. They're similar, but they're slightly different. So let's see what the main differences are. So to begin, you would always lie on your belly for these back bends. Place your hands at your mid-chest. Now, the first pose I'm going to show you is Bhujangasana Cobra pose. Okay, all you do in Cobra is you lift your upper chest and a little bit of your belly up. Arms, depending on how long your arms are, your elbows are bent and it's a smaller back bend. Okay, you do use your arms here to help you lift up. Now this is a relatively high Cobra. It's completely acceptable to keep your Cobra pretty low and use less arms in this pose. So it's closer to the ground. Cobra pose is closer to the ground and there's a little more arm involvement and some of your elbows will be bent in this pose. Okay, now the next pose, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Again, hands are at your mid-chest. This time, you straighten out your arms. You roll open your shoulders and you press the tops of your feet and you lift your knees up. So essentially, shoulders over wrists and straight arms. So what you're doing in up dog is it's a bigger back bend in many ways. It recruits your arms a lot more and the weight is distributed only on your feet and your arms. So this is up dog. Straight arms, hips are off the mat, knees are off the mat. Whereas Cobra, your legs, your hips, your pelvis, your bone, all of that is on the mat. Okay, so here's your Cobra pose and then here's your upward facing dog where you roll open your shoulders. Okay, so essentially both of them are back bends. It's just that one is more arm heavy and it keeps your spine upright, upward facing dog, and then Bhujangasana is a little more back strength. Personally, up dog is practiced more often, but and is the easier pose because it's using your arms and your legs, whereas Cobra targets the muscles on your back and can be a little more challenging. Both are good poses, neither is better than the other. You should absolutely practice both in your yoga practice. I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe for more content like this. Until then, enjoy your practice.